TV and...
Hey! Wow, Dad! Thanks for keeping us entertained. That was a great story.
Yeah, but didn't Robot Chicken already do this 3 months ago?
Well, I wouldn't worry about it, Chris. I don't think people are even aware of that show's existence.
Well, I don't know, Dad. I think a decent number of people watch it.
Oh, really? Define decent.
I think it's the highest rated show on Cartoon Network, and the Star Wars episode doubled that audience.
Well, yeah, but double 10 people is like 20 people, so I mean, what kind of numbers are we talking about here, you know?
Don't be glib about this stuff, Dad. It's a legitimate show, and they beat you to the punch.
I don't know about that, Chris. I mean, to me, a legitimate show is on ABC, CBS, NBC, you know, one of the real networks.
I don't know about that, Dad.
And besides, what's up with that 15-minute runtime? I mean, what is that? It's like 15 minutes of guys playing with Star Wars dolls. Oh, yay, yay.
So you do know the show.
I read part of a review online. I am not a fan.
You know, Dad, you're a real jerk.